Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. So today guys, we have cooked cockles. This is a huge cockle guys. Last time I do a video is half cooked, now is fully cooked cockles. So let's start with it guys. It's a huge one. Mm. Guys, samyang, chili paste. First bite. Mm. Mm. Love it. Mm. Masarap pala to guys. It's yummy. Yummy, delicious if you cook it. Not the blood one. No, no. I don't like the blood one. This one is cooked, fully cooked. See? The taste is very sweet. OMG, not the smelly one. I love it. Mmm. Ginger guys. Ginger pickles. Mmm. But I love it. The smell, the freshness. You can smell it. And you can taste it. Oh, this is a big one guys. A huge, big one. I just now I just say to the seller one, I only want half kg. Give me more than kg again. It's a huge one. I pay for almost double price. Mm. Mm. Big one guys. Mm. Big. Very big one. Mm. Big one. Mm. 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 Yummy. Mm. Yummy guys. Only the shell is heavy guys. The meat also is a big one, but not heavy one. Maybe the meat not not rich for half kg. Wow. Mm. Yummy. Mm. The ginger pickles guys, so wangi. So delicious meal. Mm. Mm. The chili fish, guys, really spicy. Mm. We have non-spicy, but when I arrive at home, I read it. Uy, spicy pula ni. Really spicy. Shandy. Yum yum. Oh, it's really really spicy, guys. But it's okay, no? We eat. Mm, mm, love it. It's more than it's took just a 1 kg. Because this real is a huge one, a very big one. Just now I thinking I do it half cooked, but I cannot because the meat is big one, huh? The meat is big one. The meat is big. I cannot half cook. I cannot. Smelling have a lot of blood. Mm. Mm. This cook one very nice, bouncy bouncy. The meat, the smell, love it. I love it. Mm. Mm. Love it. Mm. Mm. Yummy. Really love it. Yeah. Also this ginger, guys, spicy also. Wow. Mm. 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 Yummy. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. Wow. The fresh cockles, bloody cockles. Now I cook it, but the taste is good. It's bouncy a little bit, but delicious. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoy watching my video. See you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.